Growing up, my dad was involved in the window business a lot. It made a nice home business. I enjoyed it growing up in that environment. And as my boys started getting older, I was looking for something more of a home business type of environment. My dad's business became available, so we purchased it, and here we are. So one of the things that does set us apart from our competitors is that we manufacture custom windows. So it doesn't matter what size window you want, what style, we customize every window and we build it specifically for your home, and the sizing, the style, we can customize that to your needs. After we measure your windows, we come back to the shop, we process the paperwork. It goes across the wall here to the shop right here where we manufacture, and we cut the extruded vinyl to length, and from there it goes to a jam notch saw. So after the components are all cut to length and weather stripped, and then they're ready for the welding process, which is a fusion welded process for strength and durability. After the frame comes out of the welder, that weld then needs to be cleaned. And after the sashes go through the exact same process, and then they are ready to have the sealed glass unit installed into the sash. After which it is then ready to be mounted into the frame of the window. After the sashes are mounted in the frame, the final process is to install the locks. Every customer should know that we manufacture our own window, and we're here to stand behind it to warranty not only the product but also the workmanship. So what you can expect in the install of your window is a fairly quick and easy process. We will remove the old window and trim to fit the new window and install it. So your vinyl and all hardware components carry a limited lifetime warranty, and your glass carries a 25-year view obstruction warranty, so any seal failures are guaranteed will be replaced for 25 years after the purchase of your window. For example, if you ever notice on a cold morning that your glass is fogging up between your two panes of glass, give us a call. That is an indication that your seal has failed, and that will be under warranty. So the benefits of new windows include energy savings as well as ease of operation. Our windows will raise and lower very easily. They tilt in for very easy cleaning. Custom windows means that we can also provide you with architectural shapes. If you have specially shaped openings that are non-rectangular, we can also do that. So when you deal with us at LACLEDE Windows, our goal is 100% customer satisfaction, which includes the bid process, the manufacturing process, the installing process, and then the experience that you have after the install is completed. The other thing that you get when you buy at LACLEDE Windows is a truly local product. We are local, our company is local, they're manufactured right here, we install, and then we're still your friends and neighbors after that. So feel free to give us a call anytime, and we would be happy to come out and discuss the options with you, and we will see what we can do to improve the quality and the comfort of your home.